Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to change caption language on YouTube. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go to YouTube, open it, and after that let's choose an English video. Let's see an English video. Okay. For example, we'll take this one. So if you want to change the caption language, you have to go and click on the setting icon on the top right of the screen. And after that, go and click on captions. And after that, go and click on auto translate. And as you can see here, you will find a lot of language that this caption can be auto-translated to. For example, I will choose Arabic. And after that, I will play the video normally. And as you can see now, like the caption are shown in Arabic. And of course, you can do the same with any language. I hope that you liked the video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.